I actually received this dash cam as a gift, and I was so excited to try it out that I went ahead and set it up temporarily before doing a full install. And even with that quick setup, I was seriously impressed. This is the 3-channel dash cam that records from the front, rear, and inside the car, and the picture quality is extremely clear. The front camera records in 4K while the others capture in 1080p, so you get really crisp footage from every angle, even at night. It also comes with a 64 gigabyte card, built-in 5G Wi-Fi, and a 3.16-inch IPS screen, which makes it super easy to view and transfer recordings right to your phone. I love that it includes features like loop recording, a G sensor for sudden impacts, night vision, time lapse, and a 24-hour parking monitor. Once I do the full installation, I know it's going to be even better, but even in my quick test, I was blown away by the detail and stability of the video. If you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that's easy to use, records from every angle, and delivers super clear footage, this 3-channel dash cam is definitely worth it, especially if safety and peace are important to you.